Hey my foodies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the crew, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Welcome guys. Today I got a pretty simple little spread here. I got some chicken parts, some butter, garlic, Parmesan butter sauce I made, and some corn. I'm gonna say my grace and we're gonna get straight to it. Father God, bless this food that I'm about to receive. I ask that you remove anything that will cause me harm. I ask and I pray in Jesus' name, amen. Woo! Oh yeah, this corn. That's right. This has some corn in the can, and I feel like I put my foot in it. Talk about carbs. Definitely in that corn. How y'all doing? Ah! Burnt me. What is going on? I was hungry. Everybody ate. Everybody in my house ate. And so I was just waiting to try to do my video, but I was working on another video, so here I am. We got another bowl, throw those bones in there. But, ooh. You know what I'm saying? It's piping hot for you. You want it? Oh, y'all. My little butter sauce is good too now. Y'all, I wanted to talk about see, I should have took me some notes and it slipped my mind. I saw something on TV that I wanted to talk about and it slipped my mind. But that's my fault. I should have wrote it down. And I didn't. So yeah, it's definitely my fault. But I don't forgot. Oh, it's kind of too. I'm just curious what everybody been doing. Like, while y'all at home. And I don't realize how much you do outside home until you're forced to stay in. But for me, everything's normal. We don't go anywhere anyway. The only thing is, those times that we want to go, it's okay because, I mean, that's when you it dawns on you that you can't go. Other than that, no. I'm trying to record more, y'all. Comment down below and tell me what you think is a good schedule to be on. Because I try to only do weekends. So what y'all think? I feel like my butter sauce is not hitting right now. I need a little bit of salt in it. Man, what you over there doing? You look like you want to help me. I left my water somewhere. It might be behind me too. I didn't season the chicken because I was going to be dipping it. So I need some kind of seasoning. I need to season my butter sauce or something.
Put it in the freezer. One of the cold or something.
What about my packet? My packet's still sitting over there. Thank you. I got me an ice cold water, y'all. Put it in the freezer. Can I get a little salt, please?
Where is it? Okay.
Let's see if baby know his way around the kitchen. Okay, where is it? Ooh. Yeah. Thank you. I think I'll put a little bit in here. Ooh. Yeah. I hope I didn't just mess up my whole bowl of dipping sauce. That's all I got. So my family had the same chicken that I'm eating right now, except they had corn and some rice. But you know, I'm trying to cut back on my starches. Ooh. Oh goodness. Oh my God. Not really. I feel like the little kindergartner who can't open her stuff. Kind of crazy. Oh, this is my, y'all know, I'm always drinking my sugar-free crush. This one is the, I don't know, I am in love with the pineapple crush. Ooh, what y'all know about that pineapple crush? The actual soda, ooh, so good. And this tastes just like it. I promise you. Ooh, it's a big chunk. What is in chunks? Oh my God, it done froze up. I just need a little sip. Moving on. Moving right along. Ooh. Yeah, just a little cheeky cheek. Please don't be salty. Please don't be salty. I don't even taste it. I don't taste it at all. See what had happened was, let me tell y'all. The reason I didn't season it because my kids always throwing like hot sauce or barbecue sauce. So what's the point? Why I'm wasting my seasoning, right? So me myself, I plan to make like a honey barbecue sauce. That's what I wanted. I had it all, you know, ready. Had my lemon. It's kind of like a sweet and tangy kind of barbecue sauce that I make. And I was gonna make that. I go in the kitchen, y'all. I have no barbecue sauce. I have a corner in the bottle of barbecue sauce. I'm mad. I was too mad. I was mad because I don't know, with a bunch of non-working teenagers, okay? Like, I didn't get y'all like, there's only one teenager. I ain't gonna say he's a teenager. My son is not a teenager no more. But he, my son is, how can, my son is, he got a job, but he is laid off like everybody else. They closed. So, you know, craziness happens. This is all right with me. Parmesan, garlic, butter, salt, in his ass. In his ass. Yeah, I saw something today that was interesting, but it was scary at the same time. I saw somebody cook a live king crab. Babe, you was upstairs, you didn't get to see that, but oh my God, wait till you see it. That it looked disgusting to me. I'm just gonna be honest. It looked disgusting to me, but because I love king crab, only thing I was thinking of, ooh, it's so fresh. Ooh, that would be so fresh. I need one. But you will have to cook them for me. Live king crab.
I've been seeing a lot of them like
10 pounds out the box alive. That nigga was on ice. And he was alive, like still moving while he was thawing. Ugh. That's nasty, but I'd be too scared. But in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, though, like, ooh, that's so fresh.
don't they have them in the stores like that? They be live up.
What store?
Everybody seen them up here, but I know I seen them in Florida. Like,
I ain't never seen no store no live king crab.
they be having live everything. Sharks, octopus.
Ooh, see, that's what's people problem. That's why we got that coronavirus. Everything ain't meant to eat. I go, who eating a shark?
For like China, they don't throw one in there.
I could eat back. What in heavens? That's crazy. That's crazy to me. But I'll take me a live king crab though. I just need somebody else to cook them for me. You drop them in. I thought he was gonna be screaming. Ugh, it's just I don't know. That was just kind of hard to watch. And then when they took him out the box, he was like a purple color. And then when they cooked him, he came out the color that I'm used to seeing it, like that pink.
Oh yeah, they be like it.
Ugh.
That probably come from all that.
It was fresh though.
When they just catch them, they be looking like it.
He was fresh. He fresh. That's all. He was fresh. Kind of like red lobster. When they go in that tank and go get them lobsters, I thought the thing was gonna be screaming. I don't know what I was thinking. That's kind of too like, it's this Chinese girl that Greg was showing me. This girl, she got millions of subscribers.
I think I know what you're talking about because I've never seen her.
She eats everything alive. She eats squid, octopus. I thought octopus and squid was the same thing, but apparently they got some little differences to them. Either way, I ain't eating that. She was sitting there, they was just crawling away from her, and she just, ooh. She kind of, I guess she kind of like torturing the sea creatures, because she had a fish. You know, I don't like to see fish out of water.
Why you not?
I do not. It just looked like torture to me. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
If you gonna get rid of your fish, just flush them down the toilet. Don't let me see you sitting there letting that fish just flop till you die like.
Oh, okay. Like
Mm-mm. Yeah. I can't do it. Flush him down the toilet. Let him go on with the rest of the water, and whatever happened, I don't know. He's gone. So, y'all, this lady, and I say, just like eating, I mean, did that thing go away? She had fish. It looked like she had some